Hey folks, hope you're all well. I'm just down here. Obviously, don't need to say the name. And I'm just checking in on my sticker sign. Oh, there's a few to stick on here. The Peaky Biker. I've got a haggis there, it's up there. Stick that next to his old one. And last but not least, the military biker. Go over here with this one. So who have we got? Can-Am Rider, purple on 3, aka Jody. The military biker, aka Stevie. Rev Bomb, aka the Reverent Bomb. We've got TMF, Andy GSA Tractor, Walton PA, Goofy Bastard, the Rhythmic Biker, New Biker, the Peaky Biker, another Rev Bomb, Square Slice Moto, Lockwood 92, Murray's Motorcycle Museum, which is a museum in Isle of Man, I'm sure. I googled that a while back. It's pretty cool. We've got Z-Head Moto Vlogs, couple of John DieHARD McLeans, Exeter Rider, Weston Supermoto Vlog, aka Phil, Teapot 1, PSP Tommy G, who is Purple on 3's other half, Haggis Whisperer, Wild Bad Touring, aka Richie Vida, and Haggis Whisperer, I forgot to say, aka Graham. So there, and there's another Glasgow Slow Riders one appeared actually. That's new. I've never seen ones that size before. So there, time to go on the bike. Welcome to Crail. And this is a place that's got an old airfield. And they have quarter-mile strips. The drag race, you know. Bull butts. So yeah, I used to come up here back in my Volkswagen days, back in the mid to late 90s. Up until 2001 in fact. When I took on a wife, or not a wife, I took on a girlfriend in a house. Right, and so there has got to be this away, and it is 2, not 3 miles. So I used to come up here with the Volkswagen Club GTI, it was called, back in the day. I've never actually been through here, it's a different way we came. A shorter route where you cut off from Cooper. We passed the road coming up actually. So I used to like the old quarter-mile fun. I had a Golf VR6 back in the day. It was a 2.8 V6 Volkswagen, 12 valve. And it's one of these bulletproof engines that are still envied all these years on and praised for being bulletproof, you know. So I had 174 horsepower as standard. I fitted an exhaust to it, an air filter, a cone air filter, and I had it on a rolling road that put out 189.5. I actually got this little clip, a little segment put in a Volkswagen magazine. It was called Golf Extreme. I'll put it up. Excuse the buzzing, my forklift's charging. Here we have it. Wasn't it Golf Extreme? It was the Golf. I apologise. And bizarrely enough, it was April 2001 that I bought the house with the missus. So here we go. Top of the dubs. Flippity bop, flippity dee, we're off to Fife for TOTD. Which stands for top of the dubs, I guess. So there we go, number 1. 138.5. He's numero uno, top of the shop. The main man and an all-round die-hard hero. Who is he? He's John McClane, of course. And fresh from beating up baddies and saving the world, he's finally decided to settle down with his Mark III VR6 with just an aftermarket air filter on board. A flywheel figure of 189.5 means he wins the day, naturally. I definitely had an exhaust fitted by then. Sure I had. If not, that's even more so impressive. So there we have it. And that was my first Die Hard reference for a very long time. Since the movie had first come out, in fact. In the late 80s. But I was born in 78, so I'm the original. I suppose then my dad's the original. Damn it. I could just stick to calling him Die Hard Senior. And my son's Jack. And in case nobody ever knew, I certainly never knew this until I think it was the most recent film came out that he had a son called Jack. It was only ever a daughter he had in the older films, the first 3 anyway. And then coincidentally my son's called Jack. He was born in 2006. So like way before he was ever mentioned having a son. So that was just cool coincidence, in fact. But he just moans at me when I get mail in and stuff to John Die Hard McClane. That's not your name. Like, fuck off, it is my name. Well, that's my name to many. But I'm not a fake. As I said, I was born before the Die Hard movie was even a thing. But I'm a fake JDM, if I'm honest. Because that Johnny Miller guy who I keep touring with on his GS, his middle name begins with a D. So he's actually the original JDM. And then I noticed somebody else has changed their name to JDM as well. Alright, Jim. Alright, Jim Diesel. Huh? Think you're a JDM as well, dude? Cool. You're lucky to be alive, man. Thank goodness you are. What a car incident you had. I couldn't believe it. When I heard the mess you were in at first, I thought, oh God, what's happened to him and his bike? But you were a passenger in the car, I think. Was that this story? Heavy duty stuff, so hopefully you're all good now, mate. I've seen you've been back out on it anyway, so and I noticed your name had changed, but I've just not popped by in a while. But I will do. So keep well, Jim. Welcome to Kilrenny, twinned with Bapaume, France, La France. And just as I said La France there, German Jobbies popped into my head. He's another one that had a bit of an accident. Goodness. He was very lucky as well, man. Very, very lucky. He was on his bike, if nobody's seen it, and a Jaguar SUV thing cut out to overtake. Was it a bin lorry? It was something slow and not moving anyway, and he just cut out blindly, this person in the Jag. And Duncan, who's German Jobbies, just grabbed his front brake, just a full fistful, and it went down, and he went down, and they nearly drove over his head. It was inches. And if you're wearing a helmet and something drives over your head, that is the ultimate test for a helmet, I suppose. Shocking. So I hope you're alright as well now, Duncan. Take care, mate. You're a lucky man. So hey folks, hope yous are all well. I'm just heading into a bike meet, a Monday bike meet, and it's Mark's bike meet tonight. I've only actually been here once before. So nice to get out, get a bit of fresh air, speak to some bikers. More so when it's dry, not particularly warm, but dry is important. When you've got your denims on. So I shall leave you at this, folks. Take it easy, and cheers for watching. Take care.